Introduction to Account Security.
Protecting your family's data on Rosetta Stone Kids is essential. With children using online platforms more than ever, maintaining privacy and security should be a top priority. This guide will help you understand the basics of safeguarding your family account, setting strong passwords, managing parental controls, and ensuring a safe learning environment for your children.
Setting a strong password.
A strong password is your first line of defense. Choose a password that is at least 8 characters long and combines letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easy-to-guess details like names or birthdays. Update your password regularly and never share it with anyone outside your trusted family members.
Enabling parental controls.
Parental controls help you manage access and content. On Rosetta Stone Kids, make sure to activate these features. Parental controls allow you to monitor activity, restrict certain content, and adjust settings according to your child's age and maturity. Review these settings periodically to ensure they still match your family's needs.
Managing account privacy settings.
Make sure you privacy settings for maximum protection. Explore the privacy options on your family account. Limit the information you share and review user profiles regularly. Ensure only authorized users have access to your account. The less personal data exposed, the safer your family's experience will be.
Staying safe online.
Teach your children about online safety. Encourage them to never share personal information, like their real name, address, or school on the platform. Remind them to tell you if they encounter anything unusual or uncomfortable. Open communication is key to keeping your family's experience on Rosetta Stone Kids secure and positive.
Regularly monitoring and updating.
Regular checks help keep your account secure. Frequently review your account activity and settings. Look for unfamiliar logins or changes you didn't make. Update passwords and settings after any major changes, like a new device or family member. Staying active with your account maintenance is crucial for ongoing security.